गोवा कबड्डी संघटनेतल्यान अपात्र थारावन सुद्धा रुक्मिणी कामत अध्यक्ष आशिल्ले भशेन वावुरता म्हूण नवो अध्यक्ष रमेश देसाई उलयला। मंगळारा मिडिया परिशदेक अध्यक्षा बरोबर आशिल्ल्या मेजॉरिटी एक्झिक्युटिव्ह कमिटीन रुक्मिणीचो निषेध केलो।
एक्झिक्युटिव्ह कमिटीन मेजॉरिटीन ना ती जनरल बॉडीचो प्रश्न ना हांगा एक्झिक्युटिव्ह कमिटीन रुक्मिणी कामत मेजॉरिटीन ना 8 जण एक कडेन आसात आनी रुक्मिणी कामत ती बाई कडेन 5 जण आसात। खरें म्हणजे त्याच टायमार तेणी थंय राजिनामो दिवप हे नैतीक आधारे आसा। नैतीक प्रश्न कोर्ट कचेरी आनी बोगसगिरी बी करपाक हे लागच ना। हे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ती चुकता और तेणे आपली मेजॉरिटी प्रूव करची 13 भितर आपले बरोबर बाबा आसा मेजॉरिटी हे ताणें प्रूव करचें। नाही हे करूंक जाय आशिल्लें ताणें ते करूंक ना ती करूंक पावली ना। ती मिटिंगेक सामोरच आयली ना। शुल्लकारान म्हणजे जनरल सेक्रेटरी आनी इतर ताचे जे वांगडी आशिल्ले तांच्यांनी ऑलरेडी 3 मिटिंगे घेतल्यो एज पर द आमची घटना सांगता तशी 7-7 दिसाची नोटीस दिवन त्या 3 मिटिंगेक ती आयली ना किंवा कांय केलें ना आनी ती आपणच अध्यक्ष आशिल्ले भशेन काम करता।
गोयच्या फुटबॉल सिजनाक 1 सप्टेंबराक AWES कप सर्तींतल्यान सुरवात जातली। असोसिएशन फॉर वेल बीइंग ऑफ एल्डर स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनान ही सर्त दवरल्या। गोवा फुटबॉल संघटनेन सर्तीक तेंको दिला। सर्तीन देपो साळगांवकर स्पोर्टिंग क्लब धरून गोयचे भायले मेळून 12 पंगड वांटो घेतले।
The final will be on the 17th of September. Okay, all the matches will be at Dulai Stadium and they'll kick off at 4 o'clock in the evening. The schedule will be sent to you by tomorrow evening. So we have decided to have throw the gates open and have a free entry for people to witness these matches. Some very good teams are in action. FC Goa development team that has some of the players who will be playing in the ISL club. Plus we have another ISL team, Pune City FC. They will also be playing with their development squad. ISL has allowed each franchise to have a development team. So most of the ISL teams now have a reserve team. So these players of very high caliber, mostly under 23s, they will be playing in this tournament. Plus we have Gokulam, who had submitted a bid for the I-League. Viva FC Chennai, they are last 3 years they were Chennai Senior Division champions until last year when Chennai City won the Chennai League, and most likely they will be playing in the 2nd Division I-League this year. And ONGC, as you all know, they were a part of the I-League for many years, but because of PSUs were not allowed in the I-League due to club licensing, they had to withdraw, but they are playing in the Mumbai League. They are a very strong team. Prize money is approximately 2 lakhs for the winners and 1 lakh for runners-up.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात। नमस्कार।